My name is Cliff Taylor. I teach welding, all the welding program. I teach a woodworking class. I teach architecture, introduction to architecture. And I also teach this class, CNC machining. So we have 3 CNC machines. We have the laser engraver cutter, which you see over here to my right. And then right behind, out in the wood shop, we have the CNC router. And then in the back of the welding shop, it has the plasma arc CNC machine. So it's a fantastic class. We have 3 different CAD softwares that we use. And with that, each kid gets an opportunity to design their own design. It's pretty much open for the kids as long as it's appropriate. And then they can go ahead and print up on, or cut out or carve, or on the machines that they have.
This is what this machine does. It engraves into the wood and leaves this behind. So what we do is we go to our files and then we go all the way down to the U disk, which reads the USB right here.
It cuts out whatever you feel like if it's not too complicated, it can cut out this or this right here. I get to make my favorite characters and stuff and take them home with me and put them up on my walls.
Well, I have the Lightburn software up, and all I did was I took a clip art photo from Google, and I am doing Hello Kitty. I would just go here, go to copy image, and paste, size it up. That I can let my creativity flow, and I'm not really limited.
We don't have a project to run on this right now, but you can see all the cutting that we've done on here on the CNC plasma cutter. So this thing gets a lot of use. Matter of fact, all the hall passes that we cut out are sitting over there.